When we talk about the richest man in the Southeast, it's a topic that sparks curiosity, debate, and even pride. The Southeast region of Nigeria, made up of Anambra State, Abia State, Imo State, Enugu State, and Ebonyi State, is widely known for its strong entrepreneurial culture. It is a region where business is not just an occupation. It is a tradition passed from one generation to another. But here's the big question. Who is the richest man in the Southeast by ranking? Now, when we talk about ranking, we are referring to publicly verifiable wealth, assets, company valuations, investments, and influence. Not just rumors or local popularity. And when you look at credible financial rankings and global listings, one name consistently stands out: Arthur Eze. Arthur Eze, often referred to as Prince Arthur Eze, is a billionaire oil magnate and the founder of Atlas Oranto Petroleum. His company is one of the largest privately held oil exploration companies in Africa, with oil blocks and assets across multiple African countries. His wealth is deeply rooted in petroleum industry, one of the most capital-intensive and lucrative sectors in Nigeria and across the continent. Hailing from Ukpo in Anambra State, Arthur Eze's rise reflects on broader Igbo entrepreneurial spirit. Bold risk-taking, expansion beyond local borders, and strategic investment in high-value industries. Unlike many wealthy businessmen who operate quietly, Arthur Eze is also known for his philanthropic gestures, political influence, and visible lifestyle. However, discussions about the richest man in the Southeast are never complete without mentioning Cletus Ibeto, founder of the Ibeto Group. From cement manufacturing to automotive spare parts and real estate, Ibeto built one of the largest indigenous conglomerates in Nigeria. His wealth is largely industrial, manufacturing, importation, and large-scale distribution. And his business footprint has shaped commerce in cities like Nnewi, often described as the Japan of Africa, due to its manufacturing strength. Another major name in wealth conversations is Allen Onyema, the founder of Air Peace. While not always ranked at the very top compared to oil magnates, Onyema represents a new generation of Southeast billionaires who built wealth through aviation, one of the most challenging industries globally. His airline has become one of Nigeria's largest carriers, significantly impacting transportation and employment in the region. So, by ranking, especially when oil sector valuations are considered, Arthur Eze is widely regarded as the richest man from the Southeast. But wealth ranking is not static. It changes with market conditions, oil prices, company valuations, and asset liquidity. Today's number one could shift tomorrow depending on economic realities. What makes this conversation even more interesting is not just the numbers, it's the pattern. The Southeast produces billionaires across diverse sectors: oil and gas, manufacturing, aviation, trading, technology, and real estate. Unlike regions heavily dependent on government allocations or single resource wealth, the Southeast thrives on private enterprise. And there is a deeper lesson here. The richest man in the Southeast didn't emerge from luck alone. Behind the ranking are decades of calculated risk, reinvestment, cross-border expansion, and relationship building. Whether it's Arthur Eze in oil, Cletus Ibeto in manufacturing, or Allen Onyema in aviation, the formula is similar. Start strong, scale aggressively, and think beyond local markets. But perhaps the real takeaway isn't just who is the richest. It's why the Southeast consistently produces high net worth individuals. The region's apprenticeship system, trading networks, diaspora connections, and cultural emphasis on economic independence all play critical roles. So yes, by ranking and public estimation, Arthur Eze currently stands as the richest man in the Southeast. But the bigger story is the ecosystem that makes such wealth possible. And who knows, with the rapid growth of industries like tech, real estate, and infrastructure development in cities like Awka, Enugu, Aba, Owerri, and Nnewi, the next ranking might surprise us all. Because in the Southeast, wealth is not a destination. It's a moving target driven by ambition, resilience, and relentless progress.